A little something about Raymond. He's an investor in stocks and rooms. He wants no money from you, no bait and switch, nothing. Here's what he's going to do. He's going to log into his personal account, share real estate property documents, and give you suggestions on what to read.
Today is Thursday, July 7th, 2022, and we're at my Fidelity Net Benefits home screen, and we're about to log into this GE 401k, and we're going to see what it do. But right now, it is secret code time. Close your eyes. Now, you guys know I am here to put money in your pockets, and what I want you guys to do is stick around, because later on in the video, I'm going to take you step by step how you can jump into your 401k and get almost $400,000 in it. So stick around to the end, and you will see all the 10 steps that you need to do, and they're easy. But right now, I do have a favor to ask. If you hit the subscribe, like, and share button right now on this video, get to clicking, get to pressing on your phone, all those buttons. I would really appreciate it, because you know what it does? It helps me to attract more people, and more people can get paid. Do not leave this money on the table. So let's jump into this GE plan. And it's time to talk about it. All right, my balance as of yesterday, July 6th, $387,483.28. My rate of return so far this year, I am down 10.60%. That hurts. Let's scroll down. What does that mean in terms of dollars? It means it's a big loss. $45,939.87. That's like a yearly income. I have lost that in 6 months so far in 2022. But, and here's the but, the stock market is down for everyone. Your 401k follows the stock market. Don't take any of this personal. If you are losing like I am, this is the way the game works. If you see videos on YouTube or websites and they only show you the videos and they only talk about when they're winning, they are not truthful. Don't believe them. Leave their website. This is how it works. You will not win all the time. However, if you are a long-term investor, you will win, and I will show you later on in this video. Let's check out the investment. So what has me losing all that money? The tab we like to click on is cumulative returns. The column we like to look at is year to date. And I'm invested in 2 funds. One is positive, one is negative. And why am I losing a lot of money? It's because in the beginning of the year, I had almost all my money in this one fund, U.S. Large Cap Equity Index. I was losing a lot of money, so I decided to take my money out of this fund and put it in my safe fund. As you can see, I have almost 90% of my money in my safe fund. This is the fund that has a positive number, and I still wanted to be in the stock market a little bit, so I have almost 11% still in the stock market. That's why I am down 10.60%. Let's look at what my positive fund is doing, my safe fund, because hopefully you have a safe fund, and I'm going to show you how to find it. But this safe fund is invested in what? Asset allocation. It has 92.86% in cash. It has 7.14% in domestic bonds. So this is telling you that the majority of my money is in cash. Cash is king during a recession. Cash is king when the stock market is falling. That's why I am positive. Let's scroll down and see what everything I have to choose from. So again, we like to click on this tab, cumulative total returns. And here are all my selections. Your selections will be different if you do not have a GE 401k. Everything I'm clicking on, everything I'm talking about will still apply for you. So let's look at this column year to date, and all we see are negative numbers. This is a huge negative number, over 33%, and this is the GE stock fund. I am glad I don't have my money in this fund. But let's scroll down. Just negative, negative, negative. We got one positive fund. That's the one I just talked about. I have almost 90% of my money right here in this positive fund. But let's look at the other funds. It's just straight negative. Look, negative, negative, negative. So in your 401k, you want to do all the clicks you just saw me do, and you want to look at your year-to-date column. And if you see a couple of positive funds, and you're worried about losing more money, you want to find that positive fund and you want to get your money there. Let's go to the top. We're going to talk about where I am now to where I was 1 month ago. So we're going to look at this number and we're going to go over the stocks and rentals and we're going to see how I was doing 1 month ago. And let's find that. And on June 6th, I had $390,133.19, bringing it back to yesterday. I am down. I've lost money in 1 month. The difference is $2,649.91. This is the way the stock market works. You can't win them all. I'm proving it. Watch out for those people that are making videos saying, I'm a winner, I'm a winner, I'm a winner. And you're new. And they got you thinking, oh man, I can't lose. You can lose in your 401k if you are a short-term investor. If you're going to do this for years and years and years like me, you can get a balance up here like me. This is almost $400,000. How did I do it? I started with $1. Everybody starts with $1. You contribute your first dollar, then your second, and your third, and the next thing you know, you're up here. How can you do it? I'm going to leave a link in the description that's going to take you right here. Start here to learn about your 401k, and there are 10 easy steps. Let me go through them. Step number 1. Click right here and I break down the different type of investors there are. There are 3 different types. You have to determine what type of investor you are before you start investing. You can't just copy what I do because maybe you're not the type of investor I am. Step number 2, I have some simple definitions. They're right here. These definitions allow me to make almost $400,000 in this 401k. These aren't hard definitions and you don't have to memorize them. You just want to be familiar with them. This is a good start. As you start your journey with your 401k, you'll start learning more stuff. This is a beginner's website, and as a beginner, you can get almost $400,000 in your 401k. Step number 3, I show you how to group the different investments in your 401k depending on what type of investor you are. Maybe you're conservative, maybe you're balanced, or maybe you're an aggressive investor. Step number 4, I talk about what I always say in my videos, cumulative returns. What is it and how to use it? Step number 5, you want to keep all your profit. There are fees hidden in your 401k, and I talk about those fees and I show you where to go to find them. Step number 6, I talk about the average total annual return. What is it? What does it mean? Step number 7, I open up a 401k fund. It's a lot of stuff in those funds. I tell you what to concentrate on, and then I say, don't worry about this, and this. This is just here to confuse you or to make your brain spin. We want to keep this stuff simple. Step number 8, I show you how to contribute the money from your paycheck into your 401k. You got to get the money out of your paycheck into your 401k before you can invest. Step number 9, once it gets into your 401k, then you have to get it into your investments. I'll show you how to do that. Step number 10, I show you how to sell and buy investments in your 401k. It is that easy. Please do this. Please get the money. Don't just watch me get the money. You can get this money too, and it's super easy. I just broke it down. Let's go to the top. I want to close this video out. I invest in stocks. I invest in rentals. Why would I try to get money from you? Think about that. I am showing you a portfolio of over $900,000. I just showed you my GE 401k with almost $400,000 in it. Why would I try to do a okie doke and get money from you when I'm getting money in the stock market? I'm getting money in my 401k. Anybody trying to get money from somebody they're trying to help, they are greedy. It's other ways I can get my money, and I'm not going to get it off the backs of you. Please remember that. I am Raymond, Stocks and Rentals. I'm out. Peace.
Come on, push the button.
Yeah, come on, push your button up.
Push the goddamn button.
Push the goddamn